শ্রী তারক সাহা, লাভপুর থেকে লড়ছেন শ্রী বিশ্বজিৎ মণ্ডল, সাঁইথিয়া থেকে লড়ছেন শ্রীমতী প্রিয়া সাহা, ময়ূরেশ্বর থেকে শ্রী শ্যামাপদ মণ্ডল, রামপুরহাট থেকে শ্রী শুভাশিস চৌধুরী, হাসন থেকে শ্রী নিখিল ব্যানার্জি, নলহাটি থেকে শ্রী তাপস কুমার যাদব, মুরারই থেকে শ্রী দেবাশিস রায়। সমাজের সমস্ত প্রকার ব্যক্তিত্বকে আমরা এই লিস্টের মধ্যে ইনক্লুড করেছি, সবাইকে আমরা প্রার্থী হিসেবে মনোনয়ন দিয়েছি এবং যে একটা বিশাল আসল পরিবর্তনের লক্ষ্য নিয়ে পশ্চিমবাংলার মানুষ মুখিয়ে আছেন, যারা প্রকৃত পরিবর্তন করতে চান, প্রধানমন্ত্রী নরেন্দ্র মোদীজির নেতৃত্বে ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির নেতৃত্বে পশ্চিমবঙ্গে সরকার দেখতে চান, সমাজের যারা
joins us to analyze these names that have been released by the BJP. It's a candidate list for the 5th and 6th phase of polling in West Bengal. Tanima, any interesting names that you've come across in that list so far?
As you were saying, the main person whose name has in fact been announced, and which is of course something which was doing the rounds in the political corridors of Bengal in terms of the fact that the BJP might actually be launching Mukul Roy as a candidate in this elections. That is in fact something which has come out right now. That Mukul Roy has in fact been included as a candidate from right now they have announced is from Krishnanagar North. Now remember, Mukul Roy is of course one of the early defectors from TMC to BJP, and he is of course known as one of the chief strategists in the BJP. He's of course been elevated in a very senior position in national BJP as well, but primarily ever since he in fact defected from TMC, he has in fact been working to strengthen the BJP in the state of West Bengal, and now what we can in fact see is that Mukul Roy has in fact been named as a candidate from Krishnanagar North. And also the other name which we can in fact see has also been included is Rahul Sinha. He's of course not so prominent as a national name, but Rahul Sinha has also been interesting to note over here is Rahul Sinha is of course a local leader of BJP from Kolkata, but he recently in fact we had seen reports of Rahul Sinha as a local leader having made some noise about the fact that there were so many defections which were coming in from TMC and were joining BJP. So there were certain local leaders in the BJP Bengal state unit who were not happy with that situation, and Rahul Sinha was one of them. But what we can also see is that despite him having made those comments at that point in time, Rahul Sinha has also been named as a candidate. He's been included, in fact given a ticket to contest from Habra.
Well, Tanima, thanks so much for that. The two interesting names, as Tanima was explaining to us, Mukul Roy and Rahul Sinha, both of them have been given tickets as the BJP announced a candidate list for the 5th and 6th phase of polling in West Bengal.